Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Lee How's and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're just going to go over how much my portfolio made in dividends. Also, if you want free money or stocks, go and check out the links down below. I would recommend signing up for Webull first just because they give you the most amount of money. So like I said, today we're going to talk about how much I made in dividends, but as well as how my portfolio is doing compared to the SPY ETF. But okay guys, let's begin. So in November, we made a lot of money in dividends and the market went up like 3%, which is absolutely amazing. But here are all of the companies that gave me a dividend this month. So number one is XYLD, and we made $44.46, and XYLD paid me twice. So this is the first time that they paid me. And then number two is Jeppy, which paid us $1,132. Realty Income paid us $73. Devo paid us like $68. Number five is BST, which paid us like $36, and Gain paid us $106. And then XYLD paid us again, but this time they paid us $59.99. So in total, I earned $1,488, which is the most that I've ever had in dividends. But all of these dividends were reinvested into Stag and PSEC. And these are just the next stocks that I'm trying to build up for my passive income portfolio. Alright, now let's take a look at SPY and see how it's doing compared to our portfolio. So within the past month, SPY is roughly up like 5%. In the last 3 months, it's like basically breaking even. So the market's been actually extremely volatile. Like it went up and down like so much. But let's see how that compares to our portfolio. Alright, so my portfolio is up 2.5% this month. And then for the last 3 months, we're up like around 2%, which is we're beating the S&P 500 within like the last 3 months, but within the last month, the S&P 500 is beating our portfolio. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.